Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the steps for handling split payments. Split payment allows a single transaction amount to be divided among multiple payment methods. This enables customers to pay for their purchases using different forms of payment, such as cash or credit card. When a table requests checkout and wishes to split the payment, you can view their table by tapping on it here, then tap the checkout button in the top right corner. On the left panel, you'll see the order details, while the right panel is the payment panel. Tap the split button. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the number of splits. The total amount will be divided equally among the splits as you increase or decrease the number. However, you can manually adjust the amount for each split if needed. Scroll through the payment types to select the correct method for your customers. If you have the Zettel card reader set up, the card payment option will be available. Tap the charge button to process the payment through the card reader. If your customers decide to pay with cash instead, tap Cancel, scroll the payment wheel to select cash, and then tap the charge button. You can use preset tender amounts or enter a custom amount manually. Finally, tap the Pay button, then tap Pay again to confirm. Don't forget to tap Print for the receipt. Repeat this process until all remaining payments are processed. Here are the receipts printed out for each payment. Once all split payments have been collected, tap the Dismiss button to complete the transaction. That's it. I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the steps for handling split payments. See you in the next video. Goodbye.